My people, Bolu Okupe, son of Nigerian politicians, don't come outside, come blow our mind. You know, be smart thing. I didn't say now many of you don't they follow this matter where the son come outside, come talk saying be gay, and the father come vex. And now, my people, this guy don't come outside, come talk to everybody where they against them. People where they, because according to I say some women even don't send a message say this is the way they do. You know the Bible saying against God, many things. This guy don't blow our mind. According to I say some of the people wey write abi sign Nigeria anti-gay law say dem dey inside gay wahala. Na be say all of them they be gay. Abeg make you no be say na only me come talk am with my own English, because I don bring the video so that una go hear am from the horse's mouth. So join me, make we watch the video.
14-year law, I bet you for a fact some people who were signing that law or voting on that law are gay themselves. So it's ridiculous. Like, it's ridiculous. You know, I don't really care about comments. Like, I don't even really read comments. I don't read negative DMs. But you know, I do see some negative stuff from women telling me like this and that, saying Christian women. I'm like, I feel like y'all women really should be fighting more for acceptance, because a lot of you guys are married to gay men, and I'm sorry, but your whole lives are a sham, are fake. Like, your husbands are living in secrecy and leading double lives. And I feel like some of y'all know, and some of y'all don't mind, maybe because your husband may be rich or whatever, but some of y'all maybe don't know and discover later on, and it's heartbreaking. Like, so I feel like y'all should be pushing for acceptance more. But I was raised as a Christian, and I do feel like a lot of Christians, y'all are hypocrites. Y'all are hypocrites, because y'all are gonna come and tell me, okay, homosexuality is forbidden in the Bible, this and that, but there are a lot of things that are forbidden in the Bible. A lot of things that y'all do every single day. Y'all sleep with each other without being married. Y'all sleep with each other's wives and husbands. Y'all do all of this stuff. Like, there's a lot of things that are forbidden in the Bible that y'all do on a daily basis. So who are you to come and try and like be morally superior and tell somebody else, oh, what you're doing is wrong?
Not only I just hear from beginning to end, sha. I mean, of una hear am. Abeg, hope say una no just watch this video for watching sake. Hope say una as una dey watch am, una dey hear word by word wetin this guy talk. Make I shock una. He say people wey sign anti-gay law for Nigeria, they be gay. And una no go even believe say this guy papa he dey inside that group wey sign that law. In other words, you understand? No, I no need talk everything. You una suppose don't get wetin I dey talk. Chineke, wonder no go ever end from this country. If it be possible, my people, now I dey believe, in fact, anything dey possible for Nigeria, as long as Nigerian dey concerned, anything dey possible. Because all these people, they go just consider they speak big English. We don't know wetin they do behind the scene. I know they support wetin talk. No get me wrong. Like, I know they support the fact saying be gay, but truth dey for inside wetin talk. Because this nowadays, I just they watch some people, but for my mind, I know just they get where they come from. If person fit do threesome, even video, so wetin be this one? You no go know. Abeg, married women, make una gather here. If you know say you marry any of the people wey sign this thing, start dey use 3 eyes, they watch them. You understand? Because e get as they go dey behave. You no go know. All these people wey dey travel anyhow, una know wetin they don see outside. They will just come house now till they practice am. And many of them, I dey sure say they just dey marry, just as cover. They use marriage as cover. Say, okay, make people know, when they ask questions, say, at this your age, why you never marry? Now, why many of them they marry you? But they get their main, hey, now wow. Many wives now, wife don't turn side chick. Una don't hear am before. Dr. Doi, see where you spend dollars finish. Now your dollars don't they fight you, your own dollars. Una don't see this thing before. When your money where you work for, anyhow, you don't even work for a native. You understand? I beg, I know. Now you don't they fight you. You don't even fit. See how the guy even come outside, they give us different phonetics. I don't blame you, bros. You, I don't know, not be English. I don't blame you. They don't carry our money, go train you for outside. Now you don't come outside, they speak grammar. But the boy fine, sha. Now fine bobo now, una no see am. This one now we suppose date person like me. You suppose they fall for me, they give me better love, you understand? Now they go collect gundus for back. Hi, this thing it dey heartbreaking. I don't know how many of una don't notice this thing. 99% of guys we fine, they be gay. 99%. Make una no vex. I dey sure now many of una go start dey attack me anyhow. Say Madam Aproko, how cute now, but I no be gay. I say 99. You understand? I believe una. I know say many of una like the main. You understand? Yes, nah. No, but I just dey talk because I don't observe am. Many of them, you just see one fine guy like that. By the time you don't fall in love, finish. You don't admire and finish. You go come see say na gay. Everything go just die. All the feelings go just die. Bros, they need arrest you. They need arrest you because fine boy like you not supposed to be gay. Fine boy like you, you can't find you still be gay. They need arrest you, bros. This thing no be matter where they go settle down for family meeting. My people, no be smart, you know. Una don't hear her from the horse's mouth. Saying papa, nah. Make una complete about yourself. Yes, now the matter be this, and now one TV we dey bring you the latest. Now why if you never subscribe, I dey vex with you rough. You supposed to subscribe by now so that you no go dey miss anything when we drop. Comment there. I want to see your comment. Share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen. Don't go far. Love you. See you later.